Hi everyone, this is actually the customer portal you can download from the Odoo App Store. You can see. So once you install, let's do the configurations first. Create a user, or already you have a user. Let's make it portals. I have already this ones and it's a portal user, right? Next, go to the groups and assign the groups so the portal side will be visible to this user. Search portal or customer portal, you will find the group and add the user under this group. I already have done this. Next step is go to the portal side. I have already logged in with the current user. You can find these filter functionalities with different state and also with date range, and this is the dashboard you can see. And next thing is you can also view the sale order or quotations and their delivery and invoice quantities also you can see here. The next thing is let's create a new ones. Let me product, and any product you can select, and quantities you can select. You can also add another product on the right side. So I have created these ones. Let's click on edit and pay. So you can edit the already created quotations. You can change the product or add another product. Also you can remove another product. Now let me select the quantities, and once I have done so, save and pay. It will redirect to the payments and the details of the quotation. So sign and pay. I signed with my names that is automatically generated. This is a testing payment method Odoo provides. You can also configure other payment methods that Odoo provides by defaults. So let me pay. You can see here it's paid now. So let me go back to the backend side and I will show you the details. And let me go to sales and the sale order we have created and confirmed from there. You can see it's already confirmed, right? So the next thing is to create invoice. Sorry, let me validate the inventory out. So this is confirmed. Okay, and next thing is to create invoice. Let me create invoice. You will see also the payment regarding to this already done. So I hope you clear this point here. So the next thing is currently you are saying it's in payment. Let me reconcile this entry, and from here I will go to the accounting and I will reconcile it. So let's go to the accounting, and I will search for this journal entry. Let me remove the default filters and journal entry, yes, journal entry, this one. Okay, so you can see here, let me select and reconcile it. So select the bank you want. For example, I want the bank, so it's done. And let me go back to check the sale orders. You will see the invoice will be in paid state. So I hope you clear the whole scenarios how it's working. Let me refresh this one also, so you will see. Let me view this one. So see, this one is already what we have done, and the by default invoices you can see also your invoices here. And see, this is your invoice regarding to the orders. If you want to check the orders, select the default Odoo orders also, open anyone, so you will see the invoice and delivery stats also. So I hope everything